Alright, in this video I'm going to be talking about the Yahoo plan. Yahoo is set up to test 49 to 51. The March 17 45 calls could be used, but confirmation will be key. I will explain in detail in this video. Yes, people, so listen up. In this video, everything is not written. I'm writing key numbers for you to remember, but I'm going to explain some key situations here for the stock here. So when you see this dot, 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 that means that's all through explanation, and just key information is written. All right, Yahoo needs to break above 44.50 on some strong action volume. Strong action volume is 1 million on the low end. Okay, so 1 million, uh, uh, um, 1 million as this tries to break above 44.50 on a 10-minute chart. I consider that to be good enough volume, but it's still no big deal. So if they get more than that, that's even better, right? That's what I'm explaining. Now, at the same time, if we try to break above 44.50, it's probably going to need to. Another scenario is that I want to see this a base above 44.50, and also depending on it as a close above 44.50. And then the secondary option would be to watch this base above 44.50 and look for power through 45 to 45.25. Okay, before engaging in these options. Okay, so in other words, we could get a day where the stock moves to 44.50, not on great volume, and then we're gonna decide for it to base. I might even make comments, and then we're gonna wait for a close, and then we'll look for the follow through. So in this video, I'm explaining the follow through. So the follow through will be that we want to see this break through 45 on some strong action volume, again the 1 million on a 10-minute chart. Okay, I didn't write 10-minute chart here, but 10-minute chart. That's easy to remember. But the key here is the numbers, right? So we're going to look for the power through 45, and if it's not there at 45, then we're going to watch for it through 45.25 to even 45.50. You know what? In the big picture, if this stock wants to break up, these targets are I mean, this time frame alignment in this stock, what it's lacking is that it really needs to show that power within the price points that I'm talking about. So this stock might need to get a close. So in other words, what we're going to see is we're going to close in the 44 in the 44 and a half, 44.70 area, and then we're going to look for a follow through the next day. And the plan will be how we base above 44. The key is, I'm telling you people, that we need to see power in that 44 and a half to 45 to 45.25 to 45 and a half areas. Okay, these are just this thing. But once the stock breaks up through those numbers properly, okay, with continuous good volume, this is a very good setup. Pattern wise, a lot of things I look at, a lot of facts I look at. But no matter how bullish I am, formation is key, people, to avoid being stuck, because this stock could need more time, and this might trigger, by the way, in a couple of more days by the end of this next week, right? And that's why I'm talking about the March 1745 calls to simplify things. They also are trading pretty good. Let's go take a look at the options. So here I'm at the Yahoo Finance. Here I'm at the Yahoo Finance based on the February the 3rd close. Yahoo's trading at 43.71. Let's take a look at the options for Yahoo. All right, March 17, and I talked about the 45 calls. Now look at that. Now I want to make another point, people. I really want to make another point. Okay, so I'm saying to you guys, in the video we talk about the 45 calls, but I just want you to keep in mind here that I like to see this open interest. This is nice, right? So you got good open interest in the 43. So you can look to use the 43 calls. Listen carefully, people. 43 calls are good to use, and the 45 calls, because they have great spreads, and there's a lot of trading action in this, right? So you can see the open interest here, right? So there's lots of people. There's a lot of options it bought here and here. Okay, so these are the two numbers you want to focus on, and these options can make a lot of money. 45 calls. Listen, if this goes to 49, these options will go up at least 200%, to my opinion. Okay, and then of course, if this goes even more than that, right? Yahoo does even better than that. They can be more. Again, people, confirmation is key. If the stock doesn't power up fast enough, this is something that could probably you need to hold for a week or two. But with the options, and when we trigger with the options, this can make money. It could be traded. But right now, I'm just explaining in my video, and it is really just the key, what's going on, the key focus. Okay, people. All right, people. If you like my plans, you're new, you have subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's called Power Target Trades. At the end of the video, see the Sandro Power Target Trade. You're going to see it appear in a circle format. That's an easy way to, in the video, it gives you an easy way to subscribe. Okay, I have to actually, I have to make that work with Google. That there's, this is, something especially you have to prepare, right? These videos take me time to prepare. So anyways, if you want to easily subscribe, just simply wait for that symbol to appear at the end of the video. Click on that to subscribe. If you have a problem, just come here manually and subscribe to Power Target Trades. Now, at the same time, I want to show you, you can follow me on Power Target Trade on, it's called Power Target Trade on Twitter, right? But my website here is called Power Target Trades. I want to show you some great videos for you to also to see, to learn and understand about me. Let's click on this over here. Let's take a look. Okay, so here's my website loading up here. Isn't that nice? Look at that nice background over here. Okay, see this video over here, people? This is a great video, right? For people who have never seen my stuff, this video here, or people who, I always recommend everybody to see this video, because this is a plan I made using weekly options for Google. You read that weekly options, 300% gains, 3 days. You have to have good timing. This is all planned out, showing you the options and before and after. So this is great. Same thing with Apple. Apple though is with monthly options, but great detailed plans. Check that out. And then check out some other great videos. These are other great specialty videos, great explanations that you can see on my site. Take the time to come here and check this out, people. Again, you can find that through that link over here. So don't forget to subscribe. It's going to appear. Thanks for listening. Like the video.